So since you enjoyed my video so much with Mitchell in it and with Mark, I decided to bring them both along for a video. We're doing another photo shoot with Mark's truck and mine, but it just so happens that where we're trying to go to is a decent way back in the woods, and it's a pretty cool abandoned building, a cement plant. Me and Mitchell have been here before, but Mark has not, so it should be interesting. It doesn't really seem right. No.
Danger. Sound horn.
No, don't do that. So that's the situation we got up here. We got like a lot of water. This is a lot of water here. You stay in the car. Okay, so the situation is that didn't used to be a river. That's how I used to do it. So I'm thinking I might be able to ride up near or along the side of the train track and then cut back over. So I'm just gonna walk up here. So we're trying to figure out how deep this is. It's a little concerning. So the decision has been made. We're just gonna send it through, and hopefully everything goes out all right.
If you thought I was going first, you're crazy. I mean, that's for Austin to do.
So I'm gonna send it with the Cadillac. Let's try it. So far, so good. Look at that. That wasn't bad. See, it's nothing.
Come on, pick me. This thing died. Oh, okay, no, it's still filming. My chariot has arrived. What, do you want me to jump? Back up here.
Awesome. We're gonna get up there, so we should be able to. You can get in that thing.
Yeah, let's go in there.
Mitchell emerging from the hole. There you go. There you go.
I wonder if that wheel's 8 by 6.5. You want it?
Here we go.
Burn up with it.
I got the flashlights with me. Hopefully this all shows up on camera, because that's way up there. Wow. Creepy hallway. We're like waiting for ooh. Super creepy. Okay. The long journey begins.
Oh, we're going up.
Oh yeah. Afraid of heights?
I want to walk through here.
It's water though, isn't it? This gets like dizzying because it goes so long.
How long is long? Pretty long.
The height of this building.
Hey, wait, stop for a second. Let me catch up to you so you're not dumping stuff.
Hey, sorry. Dude, like holy crud. We made it to the top. Woo! We're urban explorers. Wow. Wow. Neat. Here we are. Out on top of the world. Oh, we're gonna launch the drone.
I was dying.
Here we go. while I'm here waiting for them to get back down there, I just want to remind everybody that if you like my videos, please don't forget to give me a like. And if you aren't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. But most of all, hit that notification button, because I've noticed I've got a lot of subscribers and I'm getting messages from a lot of you that you aren't getting notifications whenever I post things. And that's become quite evident lately, because some of my videos I won't get very many views at all. So please, if you are subscribed already, hit that notification button so you see whenever I put up new videos. Okay, so I got all my footage and I'm left up here by myself, me and the goose down there. I don't know if you can see him, but yeah, I'm gonna send it on back down. It looks like they're way out there now, so I gotta try and catch up. Long trek down. Oh, this wouldn't be hard if I wasn't carrying all this stuff. Well, I'm back at the car and I still don't see him, so I guess I'm just gonna start driving that way. I don't know, that might be the best bet. See, once this whole property was a cement plant, so there were like buildings all along here. They're gone for the most part. Can't say I ever thought I'd bring my Escalade in a place like this. It's quite interesting. Oh man, looks good. Don't have any water in any headlights, so that's good. We're out in the middle of nowhere. Got a nice tractor. I'm gonna get up on this thing, because why not?
Hey Mark, I found you a fuel filter for one of your kits.
That's all I need, man. Pull right off. We can do it.
That's a bucket right there. There was so much structure here that's gone now. Like so much. What's that look like down in there? It's always cool if you're gonna do the off-roading and stuff, is to go to cool places, something that's worth it rather than just driving around. You got to be careful in places like this though. As you can see, there's a lot of things you can hurt yourself on. So even on our first time here, we didn't see this area. This is kind of neat. I don't know why there's so many bugs. It should be too cold for that. Is it worth coming down?
Yeah, why not?
I mean, I only got one hand to do this. Whoa. It's kind of disgusting down here.
There was definitely something worth having in here, because they just plasma cut one of these beams out and put a loaner to get it.
It was right here.
Yeah.
And there. And there.
Probably some kind of regulator.
It's gone now. This is wild. Don't drink the water. I peed in it. I don't think I had any thoughts about drinking the water. Oh, it wasn't too bad. Going in here with the creepy fan still spinning in there. Oh, there's nothing in here. Dude, this is a big open room.
Talk about.
You think that's subs?
Yeah, there's speakers. Like,
Oh my god, yeah.
like concert speakers.
Oh, you think there's parties in this joint?
Totally.
What are those right there? Look at that. You see what those are?
No.
Those are like fancy,
Oh, like,
yeah, like trim pieces.
what?
Look at this one. Why has somebody not gotten these claws out of here and like these pieces? I feel like that's worth something.
It is. Even just in scrap.
Look at that. First of all, it's way cooler now because it's got the the tiger thing on it.
Yeah, we'll just drive around, I think.
What do you think, Mark? The leather's still good. The fact that these still move is actually kind of amazing.
Fire this thing up and start doing some work on it?
Yeah, we're going to have a problem if we want to fire it up because the air pressure gauge is a little fricked. The engine's back here, back there with some major gears and whatnot. So,
Kind of engine we got.
yeah. I'm about to go climb out on the end of it. There's still people over there. I should probably be careful doing this. You might get yelled at.
I think these are two separate.
And you trust those welds with your life, huh?
Cool.
Captain Morgan.
Go the whole way out there.
You might tip it over, you're so big.
I know, I'm huge.
Swing brake.
Westinghouse Air Brake Co.
I bet you this was
Do you know what Westinghouse Air Brake is? They're called Wabtec now, and they're the parent company of Precision Turbo.
Really?
Yep. Fun fact.
Got a little late. We're gonna head on out of here. How's it going?
Handstand.
I guess we're gonna head back towards the exit.
Turn around here.
Get out of here.
Someone just lounging around.
The lounge chair.
The Hood Beach.
In case you the Hood Beach, that's exactly what this is. In case you just wanted to come chill by the mud puddles. And to send her back through the lake. This is my only chance to get washed off. Just cruising.
We just got a freaking muddy truck.
We just passed the police back there.
And he doesn't care.
Nope. So we got away with that one. Alright guys, so we're getting ready to go get washed up after making a big mess, but as you can see, everybody's gone. So as always, if you like the video, please don't forget to leave me a like, and if you already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Another thing I want to add is I have a lot of subscribers who aren't getting the notifications or aren't seeing my new videos, so please hit that notification bell if you are subscribed already. But as always guys, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one.